children, I hope you have completed the writing work till dodging number names. Today's video is about between numbers. I am going to explain the writing pattern and one CW page. I will upload homework and another CW page in Google Classroom. Refer these pages and complete your work. Follow the instructions about writing work. Let's start. Children, before you start writing, listen to the instructions carefully and then start your writing work. First instruction, select an appropriate place for writing work, a place which has enough light and air. Second, use a writing table or a pad. Third, sit with your back erect. Fourth, sharpen your pencil before writing and put the shovels in the dustbin. Fifth, avoid using eraser. Sixth, keep a water bottle ready if you need to drink water in between. Visit the washroom before you start with your writing work. Seventh, write neatly. And last, eighth instruction, complete your work and show it to your mother for checking. Children, this is our maths notebook. Open new page. Put a cross mark in the first box of margin. Leave a gap of 3 boxes after margin line and put 3 cross marks. Write date below the cross mark of margin line and after margin line write name of the topic, that is write the numbers which comes between the given numbers. Full stop. Now you have to write CW in the margin and you have to write TO 3 times after the margin line. Write TO, leave a gap of 1 box, write TO the second time, leave a gap of 1 box and write TO the third time. You have to leave 1 box gap below the first TO and write number 15. Put a dash below the second TO and before that you have to leave a box, 1 box gap and below third TO write number 17. Children, everywhere you have to leave 1 box gap. Now here the number 16, the number which comes between these two numbers is 16. Now next example, leave 1 box gap below 15 and write number 28. Put a dash and write number 30. Here the number which comes between these two numbers is 29. Now third example. Leave 1 box gap below 28 and write new number 90. Put a dash and write one more number 92. Here the number which comes between these two numbers is 91. Now next example. Leave one box gap below 90 and write number 81. Put a dash and write number 83. The number which comes between these two numbers is 82. Now next example. Leave one box gap below 81 and write number 75. Put a dash and write number 77. Here the number which comes between these two numbers is 76. Leave one box gap below 75 and write number 67. Put a dash and write number 69. The number which comes between these two numbers is 68. So answer is 68. Leave one box gap below 67 and write number 50. Put a dash and write number 52. Here the number which comes between these two numbers is 51. Leave one box gap below 50 and write number 35. Put a dash in the next box and write number 37. Here the number which comes between these two numbers is 36. So answer is 36. Now last example. Leave one box gap below 35 and write number 88. Leave one box gap after 88 and put a dash and leave one box gap and write number 90. Here the number which comes between these two numbers is 89. Children, this way you have to complete classwork page. Children, I hope you have understood the writing pattern. You have to complete 2 CW pages and 1 homework page. See you in the next video, children. Bye bye. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.